what I found. This beautiful mushroom. Let's have a look at it. Wow. Look at this beautiful forest fungus. Wow. It's like a flower. Like a little brain actually. Forest flower. Yellow brain. Huh. Beautiful.
Richie and Austin are often along for the ride.